Knowing how to color grade your videos will take your editing career to the next level. In this video, I'm going to break down 3 easy methods you can use to color grade your videos using your phone, your smartphone. You get my point? Take your time and watch this video. I don't want to hype it, but I can bet that the number 3 method will blow your mind. You get my point? So now this particular video you are seeing right here is the original video I recorded, and I have not color graded it yet. You get my point? So look at it, it's still very nice. Now look at using the first method to color grade it. Look at what I get. Wow, look at it here. Don't you like what you see? So I don't really want to waste time on this. You get my point? So let's dive in. Let me show you how to color grade your video. You get my point? Let's go. Alright, so I'm on Capcut right now, so I'll click on new project and import the video I recorded. So here is the video right here. You get my point? So lest I forget, before you color grade any video, make sure you are done with all necessary editing in that video. You get my point? So that's what I'm trying to do right here. I'm trying to split and delete some part of the video so that when I color grade it, I will not come back and then be splitting and deleting, because if you do that, it may affect some part of the video. You get my point? So I have to break it down like this so you will understand what you're about to go into. You get my point? It's this particular method here this number 1 method is very simple. You get my point? So when I split and delete the ending part like this, what I'm going to do right here is to color grade it. Now let's tap on you can decide to tap on the video layer, or you can just decide to go and look for adjust. When you click on adjust, you click on color correction. Now look at color correction here. If you click on it now, look at the color of the video. Now look at the video quality and look at it now. When you click on color correction, you see it has changed the video quality. Now you can increase it to 100. You can also reduce it. You get my point? Now depending on what you are looking for. Alright, so I will still use this video to show you the next method. So at this point you can click on the brightness. You get my point? So you are increase the brightness between 5 and 10. So look at it right here. So I'll be showing you practical, and as you are increasing it, you will see that the color of the video will be changing. You get my point? So you go to contrast and then increase it between 5 and 10. Saturation between 5 and 10. Then I will leave the brilliance. Look at brilliance here. I will click on it, then I will increase it to 10. I like keeping brilliance at 10. You get my point? So I'm going to increase it to 10. Now I will go to sharpen. I'm going to increase it to 100. Now increase to 100. Take it to 100, bro. Clarity at 50, between 50 to 60, but I'll leave it at 60. You get my point? Now you can also play with the graph. Look at graph right here. But as you can see, the quality is beginning to get my point. You know what to do there. You know what to put there. All right. So now you click on graph. I'll tap on white. Then you can play around here. And as you are touching, as you are moving it, you will see the color will be changing. So depending on how you shot your video, depending on how the camera and the quality, or let me say the lighting of the video, you get my point? So you can play. I can't just give you a specification right here, because you may use it and the quality you use may be different. Understand? So these are the things you need to do. The highlight, it's not everything you need to increase. You get my point? There are some that you'll have to reduce. You go to this temperature. If you check, if you increase it too much, it will be, when you make it too much, it's not good. And you can reduce it. If you reduce it too much, it's a problem. So you try to make it moderate. Understand? So this is the second method of you color grading your videos. I don't know if you get my point. Now with this, no matter the camera you use to shoot your video, now you bring it to Capcut and you do all these things, you will know that You don't have to wait for maybe until you get a bigger phone before you start making video. Now when you are done like this, you see it will be like a second layer right here. So if you delete it now, it will affect everything you just did. So you have to allow it to be the way it is now. It has taken it from the beginning to the end, so you can export your video. That's the first and second method of color grading the video. Now the third one, we are going to go into the third one, and that is the mind-blowing color grading method. You get my point? So stick to the end of this video. Go to your Chrome browser and type download blue background, or you can just type blue background. Understand? That's, for example, you can choose any other color of your choice. You get my point? And now when you search, you will see all images right here. So I'm going to tap on this particular one here. I'll select one from this. Now I'll tap and hold it, then I will be able to see the download option. You get my point? Then when you see the download option, you click on download from here. So immediately you click on download, you may be given another option to download again. Then you download. When you download, this is what you are going to get. Understand? Now look at the blue color we are looking for right here. Now you come back to Capcut, click on new project and import the video, the original video, understand, you recorded. Now here is the video. You get my point? Now what you're going to do right here is to go to adjust. When you go to adjust, you click on color match. Now you click on color match. When you click on color match, you're going to see this option. So I will select upload. Now when you click on upload, it will take you to your gallery. You get my point? So now let me choose this yellow color. I want to show you something. Now when I select this yellow color right here, you get my point? See what I'm gonna get. Now the yellow color will affect the video. Understand? It will be as if I'm using a yellow light when I was recording this video. You get my point? So you can reduce the intensity, you can increase the intensity depending on how you want it to look like, or when you were recording the video. But as it is now, I don't like this yellow color because it doesn't really go well with this video as I wanted it to be. So now I'll still go back there. Now click on upload, then I'll bring in the blue color, the blue background we just downloaded. Understand? Now when I apply, this is what you're gonna get. You get my point? So you can still play around with the intensity. You can make it 100. You can also reduce it depending on how you want it to be. As you are doing it, you are seeing the effect here on the screen. You get my point? Now after this, I will leave my own at 50. You can still go back to sharpen, or you go back to, go to sharpen, increase the sharpen to 100. Now go to clarity, increase it also. Now look at what you're gonna get right there. As you can see, it is very okay, as if you are using a blue light. Understand? When you're recording this video, as if there was a blue light in the room when I was recording this video. I don't know if you get my point. Now you can still go there and then click on brightness. When you click on brightness, you increase the brightness a little. Now you see it is something very spectacular. You get my point? And it is more better than the one we recorded without color grading. So guys, this is something I know you will want to be applying when you are making a video. And when you do this, it doesn't matter the kind of phone you are using, the kind of camera you are using, it's going to help you make your video go viral. You get my point? So from here you can export it. That is how to upgrade your video. And if you are getting value from this video, please do well to hit the like button. Subscribe to this channel if you love video editing so well. You get my point? So I don't really want to waste time or say much about it. See you in our next video.